Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure Power BI Desktop is up to date and your report is saved. Once done, open the report you'll modify and keep a backup so you can revert. Next, go straight to the View tab. This is where Theme Controls live. You'll use the built-in theme selector for a quick dark switch, or choose Import Theme if you plan to use a custom JSON file. This gets you into action without extra setup delays. Now apply the theme. Select the built-in dark option from View Theme for an immediate global change. If you want precise control, import a custom JSON theme using View Themes Browse and select your file. This lets you define colors, fonts, and visual defaults. Once the theme is applied, make sure to inspect visuals and use the Format pane to tweak card backgrounds, axis colors, and text contrast so each chart remains readable. This balances aesthetics with accessibility. Finish by saving your report and reopening Power BI Desktop to confirm the dark theme sticks across sessions. Make targeted adjustments to any visuals that lose contrast. Use the Format pane to change backgrounds or text color for clarity. If the theme doesn't apply or looks wrong, update Power BI Desktop, clear the cache, or revert to your backup and try importing the theme again. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues. If it persists,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.